Most car vacuums sold today are underpowered junk that fail within 5 uses. Choose wrong, and you're out cash and still have a dusty car. Tired of cords, weak suction, or constant recharging when you clean out the trunk? This video breaks down the top options so you can pick confidently. Today, I'm going to be going over the best car vacuums that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the THISWORX Car Vacuum, a compact handheld cleaner designed for car interiors and on-the-go detailing. This review targets drivers, commuters, and families who crave a lightweight yet potent solution to keep upholstery ash-free and tidy between trips. The device is designed to be portable at just a couple pounds, enabling easy one-handed maneuvering inside tight corners and under seats. The large dustbin and ergonomic interior kit keep cleanup simple even when dealing with ash, sand, or greasy drive-through debris. Compared to typical budget vacuums, this THISWORX model feels noticeably more aggressive on embedded dirt and quicker to detachments. The pros include lightweight design, strong suction, and washable HEPA filter. The cons include cord management challenges and limited power compared to pre-sure models. The build quality feels sturdy for the price, combining a compact shell with a comfortable grip that reduces fatigue during longer cleanup sessions. Dimension notes reveal a compact profile and a lightweight, paired with a 16-foot cord that reaches from front seat to trunk. 3 attachments are included for detailing, including a flathead, an extendable, and a brush nozzle for upholstery and debris. Storage and accessories. Comes with a carry bag, filter brush, and spare HEPA filter to sustain performance. Power and operation. Uses a 12-volt outlet from the vehicle plus a 16-foot cord to cover back seats and cargo. Performance in real-world tests. Sticky floors and crumb-filled mats respond quickly to the cyclonic suction and HEPA filtration during routine cleanups. In practical use, the 16-foot cord provides ample reach for back seats and cargo areas, minimizing unplugging during routine detailing tasks. For buyers on a budget who still want solid performance, THISWORX offers reliable interior cleaning at a compelling price. Marketplace data shows a favorable rating, decent value at under $20, and a high rate of repeat purchases among daily drivers. At number 4, we have the Black+Decker AdvancedClean. From the moment you pick it up, the cordless convenience makes quick car detailing and home mess cleanups remarkably simple and accessible. Ideal for busy households, pet owners, and anyone needing a grab-and-go cleanup tool for daily life that delivers rapid, reliable mess mitigation. Its compact design makes it effortless to hold during use and simple to store afterward, while a rotating slim nozzle targets tight gaps. The rotating slim nozzle rotates to access hard-to-reach spaces, letting you clean between cushions and under seats. A pull-out crevice tool reaches tight spaces like between cushions and shelves, while the flip-up brush adds versatility for dusting tasks around furniture. Compared with older dustbuster models, the AdvancedClean delivers steadier suction and faster charging, producing noticeably smoother performance during routine car and home cleanups. The pros include lightweight portability, a rotating slim nozzle for tight spaces, and reliable cyclonic action maintaining suction. The cons include small dustbin capacity and a basic attachment set that limits versatility for larger messes in everyday homes. Performance testing confirms strong suction across carpets, upholstery, and car interiors, underscoring its multi-surface use in real-world scenarios. The device also benefits from a well-balanced weight distribution that makes it easy to maneuver around corners and ascend stairs with comfort. It works well as a multi-surface cleaner, serving as a kitchen, car, and couch vacuum for daily messes from families and pets. Market data shows a rating around 4.4 from more than 1,100 ratings, reflecting strong appreciation for cyclonic action. At a price near $60, the included charging station adds substantial daily convenience and easily fits into busy routines. Across daily use, its compact form and easy storage make it a practical addition to any car or home cleaning routine. At number 3, we have the Yomile 7000 PA. The device presents a compact handheld form with a premium finish, appealing to drivers and office workers seeking efficient cleanup on the go. It combines blowing and suction in a single unit, enabling quick dusting of keyboards and thorough vacuuming of car seats without swapping tools. Power comes from an upgraded high-speed brushless motor, delivering robust performance and efficiency for everyday car and desk cleaning. The air duster mode emits a rapid burst of compressed air to clean dusty gaps in keyboards and electronics. It houses a high-capacity 9,000 mAh battery, promising extended run times between charges for car, home, and office duties. Charging uses a USB-C cable, letting you top up with common chargers when you are on the move. The device weighs about 1.1 pounds, making it truly portable enough to stash in a backpack or glove compartment. Compared to the rival Black+Decker Pro Mini Vacuum, the Yomile offers longer battery life and stronger suction for its class. The pros include exceptionally strong suction, remarkably long battery life for its size, and an ultra-portable design. The cons include an adapter not included, and the need to supply your own charger for convenience on long trips. In real-world testing, it proves effective on car floor mats and desk debris alike, thanks to the dual mode and steady airflow. Its compact dimensions measure 6.3 by 3.9 by 2.6 inches, and it weighs 1.1 pounds. The price is $42.98, and customer ratings average around 4.8 out of 5. Overall, the Yomile Mini Vacuum Cleaner delivers robust suction, versatile dual mode, portable design, and strong value for budget-minded buyers seeking performance. At number 2, we have the Fanttik V8 APEX, a compact car vacuum engineered for quick cleanups and everyday interior detailing. Designed as a light, cordless tool, this model targets car owners, commuters, and desk workers needing convenient cleanup anywhere. Powered by a high-speed brushless motor, it delivers 19 kilopascals of suction for cleaning dust and debris in tight car crevices. Equipped with a 4-in-1 multifunction system, it can vacuum, blow, inflate, and seal, aided by 10 accessories for corners and fabrics. Type-C charging enables rapid topping up, with a charge achievable in 2.5 hours, allowing car or office use between errands. Weighing about 1.1 pounds, it feels incredibly light in hand and easy to maneuver around seats, pedals, and upholstery. The one-touch-to-empty lid opens with a press, while the HEPA filter captures 95.99% of dust. Compared to the larger Fanttik X Turbo, the Fanttik V8 APEX trades some suction power for lighter weight and easier handling. The pros include ultra-lightweight design, rapid Type-C charging, and 4-in-1 versatility. The cons include limited runtime on max mode and lower suction compared to larger car vacuums. In eco mode, it can run for up to 40 minutes on a single charge, handling quick car cleanups between trips. 10 practical accessories include a crevice nozzle, flexible hose, push-and brush, multi-surface brush, and pet brush, ensuring versatile cleaning across fabrics. The compact body ships with a storage bag that keeps everything organized and ready for trunk storage during daily commutes. The included pet brush helps lift stubborn hair from fabric surfaces without tangling, making pet-friendly cleaning straightforward. In real-world tests, it cleans light debris effectively within a car and desk environment, though larger vacuums remain better for heavier workloads. At number 1, we have the Antaha Car Vacuum. From the moment you lift it, the compact handheld design signals everyday practicality for busy families and commuters seeking convenient car care. Its blue finish and clean lines give a modern aesthetic that blends with interior car trims while promising lightweight, fatigue-free operation. Target users include pet owners, students, rideshare drivers, and anyone who needs quick cleanups between trips without bulky equipment. The unit weighs around 1.2 pounds, delivering up to 11,000 pascals of suction through a high-efficiency compact motor. Its dimensions are compact enough to fit in glove box compartments or car pockets, making spontaneous detailing easier than traditional vacuum setups. The ergonomic grip and balanced center of gravity reduce hand fatigue, enabling precise nozzle control in tight crannies without strain. Power comes from a brushless motor delivering high-speed performance and steady suction across crumbs, pet hair, and dust in cars. 2 cleaning modes offer versatility for delicate surfaces or stubborn debris, while the brushless motor reaches 52,000 revolutions per minute. A sizable 7,800 mAh battery powers the device for extended sessions and supports convenient USB Type-C charging. A translucent 14.74-ounce dustbin with a one-touch emptying mechanism keeps dust and debris visible during cleanup. HEPA filtration captures up to 98% of particles, plus an extra replacement filter ensures ongoing performance with minimal maintenance. In real-world testing, it outperforms a typical budget handheld vacuum in portability and sustained suction, especially during car detailing. The pros include ultra-lightweight design, strong suction performance for its size, and a comprehensive accessory set that covers most common cleaning scenarios. The cons include a higher price point and a somewhat limited reach when compared to larger vacuums in the market.